Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the freaking vlog. I really don't this time even know what vlog number we're at, and I don't have my husband with me to tell me the wrong one for me to correct him. So let's just say that we are at, I want to say vlog 24 or 25. But anyway, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing fabulous. I'm just on my way to work right now. Today was a really not so fun morning. I messed up on my eyeliner 2 times. I just was taking a really long time to get ready, got into the car, wiped dust from the car onto my pants, forgot things upstairs, forgot my glasses. So it's just been a little bit crazy, and now I'm leaving for work much later than I usually do. With that being said, I wanted to talk to you guys about a couple important things. Number one, I've been really demotivated about keeping up with INSTA lately, and the reason is because algorithms have both changed for YouTube and Instagram, making it really difficult for people who don't have a large following to gain the views that they need, right? And if you don't get views, then obviously you're not motivated to keep pushing through. With Instagram, I started doing 1-minute videos, and then I realized that my hashtags stopped working. So it was really hard to reach you guys as an audience, especially if you don't have like that notification bell hit every time I upload. So that was really challenging. And then for YouTube, I was a YouTube partner, or like I got verified as a YouTube partner a couple months ago. Maybe like 6 months ago-ish, and they made some new rules. So anyone who doesn't have 1,000 followers, which is not the case, we have over 1,000, thank you guys, but who doesn't have, I think it was like 40,000 watch minutes consistently, or something along those lines. Whoever does not have that cannot be YouTube verified, which means you cannot get monetized for your videos. So, you know, I'm sure this stuff is like not interesting to you guys, because when people would talk about this before, like my favorite YouTubers, I don't know, I didn't care because I didn't know about it, and that totally makes sense. But anyway, with that being said, I'm gonna keep going and, you know, make these videos because A, I love doing them, B, I think that you guys really enjoy the vlogs, and I think in the past 2 vlogs I haven't been that, you know, excited or that just into it, because to me, I'm thinking, well, no one's even gonna watch these, right? So what's the point? But I think I have to get out of that mindset. And sometimes that happens. Like, I'm always a positive person, but it's hard to stay positive all the time, and we need kind of that push in our lives. So anyway, long story short, I'm gonna keep going with these vlogs and with these Instagram videos in hopes that one day maybe the algorithm changes, or in hopes that you guys subscribe to my channel, because if you subscribe, then you get that notification that I'm sending you guys. So anyway, that is my little rant, and I've been meaning to come on here and talk to you guys about it, but I've just been so honestly down about it. And like, I'm not gonna sit here and say like, yeah, no, I'm fine, like it's totally perfectly fine, everything is good, because it's not. It's annoying when you put so much money into your equipment and you put so much time into your work, and like, I already work a 9 to 5, this is not my full-time job, and then to come home and work some more, and then to be like shunned in the social media world. So anyway, I wanted to hop on here and tell you guys like the reason, or like what's going on, I guess, behind the scenes. Anyway, I'm blabbering on now. I think it's been 3 minutes and 58 seconds. So I'm gonna stop talking. I'm on my way to work right now, and yeah, today is gonna be a good day at work, I hope. Lots going on, and then afterwards I'm heading downtown with Wazita, who you guys have met, I think, in my vlog before, and we're meeting up with the rest of the girls from my old employment. So anyway, I'm gonna head off now, and I will see you guys soon. Bye. Good morning, everyone.
Good Good morning, everyone.
I already did the introduction yesterday, so we don't have to play that.
Hey, this is episode number 23.
You have something on your beard. Oh my god, it's like food.
It's probably dinner from last night.
Anyway, hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. We're officially gonna start vlogging again, right, Nate?
Officially gonna start vlogging again.
I mean, we were still vlogging, but like not heavily. Not heavily. So right now we just left our home. We're on our way to Scarborough. We're gonna go to this pho place. It's called Orient Express. And so we're just on our way there now, and then after that we're gonna go to IKEA and we're gonna go to Homesense, and so
all the fun stuff.
But it's okay because we never get to do this stuff, right?
Yeah.
Because every weekend Irshad says I don't want to do it, so that's why today. What are you doing over there? Adjusting. So did you miss me this week because we weren't together this
Show my
week?
shirt.
Okay, you dismissed what I just said to show your shirt. Huh? Did you miss me this week?
Yeah. Missed her this week.
Say yeah.
I did. And you
saying it like, yeah, I missed her this week.
Yeah, because
upstairs he was saying he missed me.
I actually go hard, guys. I don't miss people.
Scarborough represent what? Say it.
What?
Say Scarborough.
Scarborough represent what?
Anyway, we're gonna go.
I'm not so excited about that one.
We're gonna go to Timmy's now. We're gonna get some coffee because it's still like an hour away. And yeah, it's so much easier to vlog when you have the handle. But Irshad's been stealing the handle because every time he goes to play basketball, he wants to record himself playing ball.
So weird. Why don't you guys just follow my YouTube channel?
Oh, wow. Wingmaster 31. Where did you get that name?
That's just one of my login names or usernames that I had when I was a kid. Wingmaster 31.
But where did it derive from?
I don't know. I really don't know.
Mine was Mrs. like MSZ _ Nisa N1SA. You like that, huh?
Lame.
And I also had a crazy for Sean _ Desmond one, but he's not that great anymore.
You still use that one? What do you mean? That's how I send you emails.
Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna tune in to you guys when we go to the pho place. Bye. Hey guys, so we just got to Orient Express. You ready?
Yeah, let's do this.
Let's do this. And look guys, it's halal. It's halal pho. Halal. Scarborough. Alright guys, we're at my favorite store, Homesense. Here he goes on his phone. Hey guys, so right now we are looking at two face sets because we've had the same one since like we've been married, so we need a new one basically. But yeah, which one you got there? Okay. So right now we're deciding between this white one or this blush pink one. I don't know, my soul says blush pink. What about you?
I'm not sure. This is your decision. This is your room. This is your home.
You're just trying to look good for the camera.
I'll be freaking nice.
What do you think, babe? I don't know. I really... Let's go. You want to get some new sheets? Look.
No.
So Irshad always, like, whenever I ask a question about getting something new, he'll say no, right? And then when I bring it home and we put it on, he'll be like, that looks nice.
That's because the dollar is already spent.
I mean, well, like, what's the point?
Anything, if you actually bring it home, it'll look good.
Oh my god. So we just finished at Homesense and we bought ourselves a duvet cover. It was the blush pink one that we decided to go with.
Who picked it out?
Me. I totally picked it up.
Anything for the vlogs and anything for the view.
Shut up. I totally picked it up. You're like sitting down the whole time while I did all of that for an hour.
Dude, that chair needed to be warmed up.
Anyway, so we picked this kind of like blush pinkish one with like a silver touch, which kind of goes with our room because our room has like the mirrored furniture and is like beige blush pink-ish. So we picked this and then we got one gray pillow. I'm not sure if we love it yet, so I have the receipt and check out some other Homesenses maybe tomorrow. And yeah, we'll go from there. So anyway, right now we're just on our way to my mother-in-law's house to say Assalamu alaikum. And that's it. Oh, we're in traffic.
On the Eglinton Road.
Last week, the butcher shop guy asked us, where do you guys get your glasses? And we said, P-Mall, bruh! P-Mall represent! My meter loves Pacific Mall. He loves it so much that we're going back there tomorrow.
We are?
Yeah. You forgot?
She's so special. She's so special, so special, so special.
So, we just got home. We had a great day doing things that Irshad loves to do. Oh my god, he's gonna kill me.
That's the whole plan. You're not supposed to see that.
So we just got home from outside, and not outside, but my sister-in-law's house. And now we're gonna shower and head to bed. So we'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, good morning. It is Sunday. Why are we going this way?
Remember like Mississauga Road? It's easier to the highway.
I thought we'd get some Starbucks. Anyway, good morning guys. It is Sunday and we are on our way to Scarborough because Irshad goes to play basketball on Sundays and I do errands while he does that. So we're just on our way right now. It's 9 a.m. The clock's turned back an hour yesterday, which means we lost some sleep.
Jumped forward.
Oh, jump forward. Okay guys, so I just dropped off the guys to play basketball. Well, I guess Irshad dropped everyone off. And now we are on our way to, oh that's such a big pothole. We are on our way to Adonis, which is a grocery store in Scarborough that I like to do my grocery shopping from because they have like halal meat and halal cheeses and all that stuff. So it's just easier to have like a one-stop shop as opposed to going to two different ones. And then if I have time, I'm also gonna go to Homesense and then we'll go from there. So right now it's about 10:45. I think I have about until around 1 o'clock to do my thing. So I'm gonna do that and I will see you guys soon. I'm not sure if I'm gonna bring you into the grocery store because like I'm alone, you know. When it's with Irshad it's so much easier, but when it's just me it's hard because I'm carrying all the bags and everything myself. Anyway, I'm talking too much. I will talk to you guys soon. I just finished grocery shopping. I can't speak this one. grocery shopping. And this was like, usually I go with Irshad, but honestly I kind of like going without him, even though I always want him to come with me because he carries the bags and like all of the heavy stuff. But I'm a woman, I can do it on my own. But anyway, I came to Adonis today. I'm just so excited because I've been looking for halal flank steak for so long. Like the tasty videos of like the fajitas or just like flank steak with vegetables or like whatever the cases look so freaking good. So I'm excited that I finally found some. I can't even breathe right now. And I got some other like chicken breasts, chicken wings, got some halloumi cheese, which I don't know if you guys, like, if I'm late to the hype or if this is a new thing, but halloumi cheese is so freaking delicious. So we got some halloumi cheese. I feel like I have snot here. I'm good. I think I'm good. What else did I get that was exciting? This is sad. Like, my whole vlog right now is about food. But yeah, so I got, oh, and I got halal, like, jerk sticks, beef jerky. That took a moment. But yeah, I got halal beef jerky because this whole thing is about meat right now. But I mean, it's just exciting when you get a whole bunch of halal meat that's like really delicious. So anyway, I'm gonna go to Homesense now. It's about 12 o'clock, so I was in there for quite a while, a little over an hour-ish, I think. So I'm gonna go to Homesense now. I think I've been an hour to do me and do Homesense, and I will see you guys soon. Bye. Hey guys, so we just got home a couple hours ago. We showered, we napped, we relaxed, we went out for sushi, and then we also just went out for Starbucks where I got this drink, which is an iced Americano, a little bit different than what I usually do, but she forgot the cream and I was like, hello? Like, we're trying to diet, but we're not trying to diet that much. So anyway, I had to come home and basically put in my own cream, which is okay, it's fine. All of that noise in the back is Irshad watching basketball. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna end the vlog here because it's getting quite long, but I hope you guys enjoyed staying with us this weekend. I don't know what I just said, but yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed spending some time with us this weekend. If you like what you see, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video. And for the haters that are hating on the video, I see you. Anyway, thanks so much for tuning in, and we will see you guys soon. Bye.